Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me again. Not really again because it's been a couple months, almost a year since I made my last video. Well, I think it was like 8 months. I just checked it today. It was like 8 months ago I made my last video. But yeah, I'm back. It's just life happened, honestly. I haven't had time to film. I'm back with this KKW inspired look. It's my first time doing it, so honestly it's not like the best. But yeah, I tried like slicking my hair back because like in the picture she was like, you know, slick back hair, wavy on the bottom. But other than that, yeah, I don't know how well it looks on camera, but it doesn't look too bad like in real life. So I hope you guys enjoy this makeup tutorial. I'm just gonna be showing you my eyes because honestly the face doesn't really matter. It's whatever face you do, whatever base you do, you can just do that. And then the eyes, I just kind of guide you on how I thought her makeup artist did it. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial. Let me know what you guys think. If you like it, if you don't. This is like a new setup I made, so I don't know, hopefully you guys like it. But thanks so much for watching, guys, and I hope you enjoy this. Bye. Okay, so hey guys, I just did my face makeup besides my highlighter and just like final touches. I did my face makeup, so let's get on to the look on the eyes, the Kim Kardashian look. I'm just gonna be starting off with my Conspiracy palette just because I feel like it has the colors we need, because we need like a silver and like a little bit of a brown in the crease. I'm starting off with my Morphe M441 brush, and I'm gonna start off with a bit of Tanacon. I'm just gonna put that in the crease, and then I'm gonna put a bit of cheese dust. I'm gonna go in with the Jeffree Star JS12 brush, this one. I'm gonna go in with a bit of cheese dust just right in the crease. And then we're gonna slightly point it outwards, just like not like too much exaggerated, but just a little bit of a point. So it can give us that like what's that word I'm looking for? That look. Pinched back look. And then a bit of Diet Root Beer also, which is the dark brownish. Not too dark, but a little bit darker than the Tanacon shade. I'm just like drawing out my crease a little bit. And then I'm gonna go in with that first brush I used and just blend it out a little bit. So under the light orange brownish colors, I'm just gonna go into my James Charles palette and probably go into the corner shade right here with that same Jeffree Star brush, small little crease brush, and I'm gonna go just right under where we put the orange. And also make it come into a point at the end. Just bring it out. Just the key with this is just to blend it a lot, so it's not like really harsh. We want it to look really like blended and like effortless. And then with the same first brush, just blend it out a tiny bit. And I think I want to go in with a little bit more of the orange, the cheese dust color, which is, I just need to cover the mirror just so it doesn't blind you guys. This color right here. Just a little bit of that, just because I feel like the orange is kind of disappearing. So yeah, I'll just go in with the black from the same Shane Dawson palette right here. And I'm gonna use, I just have like this little Eco Tools brush, just like any small little brush. You just want to like stamp this like in your crease. and kind of bring it down. So it's like blending. And then at the same time, like bring it down as if it's like a wing. But you just kind of want to draw in your crease. If you just look straight into the mirror, make it so it's like right above your crease so that when your eyes are open, like you can see the line and all the details that you put really hard work into. So if you just do it on your actual crease and then you open your eye, it's just gonna get all covered. Everyone's eye shape's different. Like you just have to see your eye and see like how it's gonna look the best. So now we can go into the silver. I think I'm gonna go in with Diet Cola, also again from the Conspiracy palette. I just have like this MAC, I don't know, the number rubbed off. Any like flat shader brush should work. And just start putting it everywhere where you didn't put the black. So like kind of use the brush to like shape it out. That's just like a rough little sketch of putting down the silver. Now I'm just gonna go back in with the black. I'm gonna actually go in back with a little bit of the brown, the Diet Root Beer shade, which is like a dark brown, and just kind of blend it out up here. I'm just gonna start blending in a little bit of the brown underneath my eye too, and a little bit of the black, just so it like all blends together. Blend the brown under it. I'm gonna go back in with the silver just to touch it up. So this is how we're looking so far. It's not perfect, but it's not looking too bad, honestly. Just need a little bit more black right here. Wherever you feel like the black is fading, you can just touch it back up. You just need like a slight black in the area, so that when you put the liquid liner on it, like on top of it, it looks like all smoky and like smudged. Like it'll look really good. So I think I'm gonna go in with the liquid liner now. I'm pretty scared for that part, but I'm gonna be using Kat Von D tattoo liner. I just have like this small. In the picture, it's like a really thin line. It's not like a thick wing, and then up here is also really thin, and it kind of just stops like right here. So I'm just gonna do that. You just follow the line that you made with the eyeshadow. So this is what I have so far, using the Miami Flare, my favorite highlighter, and then with just a Morphe brush. Okay, onto lips. Don't laugh at me, but this is the Kylie, you can't even see it. This is the Dulce lip liner. I have to like shake it, and then I'm gonna just go in with the Hazel liquid lip from Kylie. And then just to make it a little bit lighter, because I know her lips were like just like a little bit lighter than mine, I'm just gonna be using Kimberly, the Kylie X KKW, the velvet ones, and this just makes it look a little lighter. So this is basically the finished look. I'm gonna go fix my hair real quick, just like slick it down a little, and I'll be right back. This is the finished look. I tried slicking my hair back and making it like hers, because in the picture it was like slick and then like wavy, but like I don't have the little hair crimper thing that makes it wavy like that. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did, and I'm really excited to be back and making videos. So if you have any suggestions of what to film, just leave them down below, and until next time, I'll see you guys later. Bye.